Good evening, YouTube. Chad Sexton here with Sexton Chainsaw Carvings. Back with you trying to do a little carving. Probably gonna be a just 2-day video. Got our half log right here. Got the bark pulled off. Doing our carving, same old tools. Got the basic MS 170 steel. Got the Drill Master 4.5 inch angle grinder. Portable tools. This is Harbor Freight. Get that at a local steel dealership. Ryobi, Echo, any small chainsaws, basics, Poulan, whatever you like. Just a basic chainsaw, no problem. Let me show you what we try to do right here. Got a little bit taller log, got a couple little cool knots on it. It should give a pretty cool little wood grain features. And we're gonna see what we can do. If you don't mind, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I promise you I'll post a video a week doing something, some kind of chainsaw carving. Just trying to get the channel going, get some viewers, trying to get something sparked up. But I really appreciate it. If you don't mind, leave a comment, let me know, like I say, if I'm doing good, doing bad, and we're gonna try to get something going. And just always remember, eye protection. Oh, I ain't even got my ear protection. Yeah, ear protection. Lady, you don't want to walk around going, what, huh, what? But anyway, for real, eye protection, ear protection. You want it when you're running that chainsaw. YouTube just trying to show you, a little bit of time. I guess I've probably been out here about an hour or so, fiddling with a chainsaw. Like I said, portable tools. It don't matter what it is. If it's working on cars, you enjoy it, man, get out there and do something that you enjoy. Just that's it. Just do something that you enjoy. Because I really enjoy running the chainsaw and have fun at it. But if you don't mind, hit the thumbs up, like button, subscribe, comments, good, bad. I'm all for constructive criticism. But just let me know how I'm doing. All this is recorded off my iPhone, and I am not a techie person whatsoever. So just, like I said, like button, subscribe. And as always, hey man, let's carve something together. Alright, good afternoon, YouTube. Got day 2 right here on this carving. Trying to get us another wood spirit done. There's pretty good sellers at our craft shows. We got several craft shows coming up right here early spring, and just trying to get my inventory built up. But we got our little buddy right here. We got him finished up. Got him sanded down best we're gonna get. That ain't gonna grind it, don't get up in here. Still kind of leaving us a little bit of those rough cuts. That still, kind of defines the chainsaw carving. Smooth out the most part though. A little detailing on the hair, eyebrows, stuff like that. Now we're gonna coat him with a Thompson water sealer. It's a wood protector. I use the clear. It really does enhance the wood grain. Makes it waterproof. UV protector. Keeps you from rotting, stops mildew. This is all around good stuff. And as far as a base coat, you can come back, do some polyurethane, shellac. I mean, you can do a lot of stuff with it. You can put your preservative oils on it. This is very cost effective to me. So this is what I use. I don't know if you can see it or not. Thompson Water Signature Series. Alright, YouTube. Check it out right here. Put a little bit on it. Little face. That's a one coater. That Thompson's Signature Series Wood Protector Sealer is it's a one coater. Good base coat, good solid base coat. I mean, you can see how much it really enhances that wood grain. I love that it's one coat. That is extraordinary. So you can see how it does the wood grain. I mean, it just makes it beautiful. Chainsaw carving. Very cost effective. Not bad at all. So, that right there is pretty much the complete process of what I do. This ain't nothing but a little hobby is all I do. I just try to make a little extra change. Stay out of trouble. Well, alright, YouTube. This is what I do on the afternoons after work. When I ain't got nothing else to do. And if you don't mind, like I always, hit the thumbs up, hit the like button, subscribe. When you paint this stuff, make sure you wear eye protection so that stuff don't splatter in your eyes. When you got the paintbrush going, respirator, eye protection, ear protection when you're running your grinder. Ear protection, eye protection when you're running a chainsaw. You can wear the respirator if you have, if you don't like the exhaust fumes, stuff like that. So it's just a hobby, man. I mean, I enjoy doing this. He makes pretty cool pieces. We're gonna let this guy. We're gonna set him over here, let him dry. I'll come back with just a flame brush, wipe all the excess off, let it soak in real good for a couple days, and it'll get kind of a little bit of a powdery coat on it. The one thing that I do love about that water sealer is you don't have to have a dust-free environment. It is. You can do it in your shop, out here, wherever, dusty, and it holds up. I mean, it is what it says. Puts a nice coat on it, brings out that wood grain. So neighbor's dog getting after somebody, ain't it? But that is it. If you don't mind, YouTube, hit thumbs up, like button, subscribe, comment, good, bad.